Hello children, welcome back to calculus. In this session we will study the measures of exterior angles of a polygon. Listen, here is a pentagon, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides are there, so it is a pentagon. Then we can name them A, B, C, D, E. So A, B, C, D is a pentagon. If AB is extended, then here forms an exterior angle, let it be 1. If BC extended, this 2 is the exterior angle. Then CD is produced, 3 is the exterior angle. DE is produced, then 4 is the exterior angle, and EA produced, 5 is the exterior angle. Measure of A, that is denoted by M, small m, then in bracket A. It is measure of A. Then we can find out measure of 1 plus measure of 2 plus measure of 3 plus measure of 4 plus measure of 5. That will be 360 degree. This equation you by heart, that is the sum of measures of exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Okay. If one of the exterior angles of a regular polygon is given, then we know that the sum of measures of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Using that we can find out the number of sides. Okay. Now we can do the exercises. Exercise 3.2. First question, find the x in the following figures. Two figures are given. This is A, this is B. Here in a triangle 3 exterior angles, that is 125, here also 125 and x. We know that sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. So we can write 125 degree plus 125 degree plus x degree equal to 360 degree. 125 plus 125, 250 degree plus x degree equal to 360 degree. That is x equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree, that equal to 110 degree. Okay, so this is 110 degree. Then next B is, this is a pentagon, 5 sides are there. Then here this exterior angle is 60 degree, here this symbol shows this is 90 degree, here 70 degree, here x, here the symbol shows this is 90 degree. So this angle and this angle forms a linear pair, so it is also 90 degree. This is 90 degree, so this also 90 degree. So we can name them A, B, C, D, E. Then angle ABC from the figure, angle ABC equal to 90 degree. Therefore angle CB, this side is produced, we can write here x, then CBX. Therefore angle CBX equal to 90 degree. That is, this form a linear pair. Then we can add all these exterior angles. Now we know that sum of exterior angles of a polygon equal to 360 degree. That is x degree plus 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 90 degree plus 70 degree equal to 360 degree. When adding 90 plus 60, that is 150, plus 90, that is 240, plus 70, that is 310 degree plus x degree equal to 360 degree. That is x equal to 360 degree minus 310 degree, which is equal to 50 degree. Second question, find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides, 15 sides. So we know that sum of exterior angles of a polygon equal to 360 degree. So number of sides equal to 9. So the measure of each exterior angle that equal to 360 degree divided by 9. Then 9 table 4 9s are 36, so 40 degree. This is one. Then second, 15 sides. Here also we know that sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Then number of sides equal to 15. Therefore measure of each exterior angle equal to 360 degree divided by 15. Then 15 table, 15 1 times, here 15 2 times 30, then 6 remainder 60, 15 4 times, so 24 degree. Next question, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? So given measure of exterior angle equal to 24 degree, it is given that it is a regular polygon. So we know that sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. So number of sides that equal to 360 degree divided by 24 degree. Then 6 table, 6 4s are 6 6 are 60, then again 4 table 15, so we get 15 sides. Fourth question, how many sides does a regular polygon with a measure of each of its interior angles is 165 degree? So interior angle is given 165 degree. In a polygon, the exterior angle and the interior angle together form a linear pair. It is exterior angle plus interior angle equal to 180 degree. That is, they form a linear pair. Then exterior angle we can find out, that equal to 180 degree minus interior angle is given 165 degree, which is equal to 15 degree. So one exterior angle is 15 degree. It is given that it is a regular polygon. So we can find out the number of sides, that equal to sum of exterior angles divided by one exterior angle, that equal to sum of exterior angles, we know that 360 degree divided by one of the exterior angle is 15 degree. So we can cut in 15 table 2 times 30, then 60, that is 4 times, it is 24. So the number of sides is 24. Next question, is it possible to have a regular polygon with the measure of each exterior angle is 22 degree? And one more, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? So first, A part, is it possible to have a regular polygon with the measure of each exterior angle is 22 degree? That is, exterior angle given, exterior angle equal to 22 degree. When we divide, we know that sum of exterior angles equal to 360 degree. A regular polygon, that is, all the sides are equal. Then when we divide 360 by 22, we can divide 360 divided by 22. 1 times 22, then 4, 1, 140, then 5 times Then 6 times 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13. Then 8, remainder we get. So that is we get the remainder 8. That is we can write 360 is not completely divisible by 22. So the answer, is it possible? So it is no, it is not possible. No, it is not possible to have a regular polygon with a measure of each exterior angle 22 degree. Then second part, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? So exterior angle is, it is given that exterior angle equal to 22 degree. So we can find out interior angle, that is 180 minus 22 degree. That is exterior angle and interior angle together form a linear pair. 180 minus 22 we get 158 degree. An interior angle, that is, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? That is, interior angle it is given 158 degree. So when we divide 360 by 158, that is 360 divided by 158. 2 times 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11, 2 into 1 2 plus 1 3. That is, the remainder is 44. Then can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? Interior angle of a regular polygon? No. Why? Because 360 is not completely divisible by 158 degree. Then the last question, sixth question, A part, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Why? We know that minimum of 3 line segments we need for closed figure. Okay, so the smallest polygon is a triangle. Smallest polygon is a triangle. It has 3 sides. Minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon. So we know that if the 3 sides are equal, it is called equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, the 3 angles are equal. Let it be x each. Then 3x equal to 180 degree. So this we know that angle sum property. Angle sum property, that is the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So x equal to 180 degree by 3, which is equal to 60 degree. That is minimum interior angle possible. Interior possible angle equal to 60 degree. What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? That is the B part. We know that in A part we get minimum interior possible angle is 60 degree. That is, interior angle and exterior angle together form 180 degree linear pair. So the exterior angle equal to 180 minus 60 degree. 60 degree is the minimum, that is 120 degree. That is maximum exterior angle possible is 120 degree. So this exercise is over. Next session we will continue this lesson. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.